Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Mythology. To begin your epic journey, first select one of the three distinct civilizations: Greek, Egyptian, or Norse. Each offers unique gods and mythical units. Immediately send your starting scout to explore the map and uncover vital resources. Next, construct your first settlement to establish your base and expand your influence. Remember to start gathering essential resources, like food, and wood right away to fuel your early economy. Building a strong economy is crucial for success. You will manage four primary resources: food, wood, gold, and favor. Assign your villagers to collect these resources efficiently from various sources across the map. Construct farms and lumber camps to ensure a steady and sustained income of food and wood. Later, build a market to trade any surplus resources for those you desperately need, helping you balance your economy. Progressing through the four distinct ages is key to unlocking advanced technologies and powerful units. Each age advancement allows you to choose a minor god, granting unique bonuses and access to specific myth units. You will train human units such as infantry, archers, and cavalry from your barracks and archery ranges. Additionally, you can summon powerful myth units, like minotaurs or cyclopes, by spending favor at your temples. When it's time for battle, assemble diverse armies with a balanced mix of human and myth units. Remember to utilize the unit counter system. For example, archers are strong against infantry. Focus on destroying enemy town centers to significantly reduce their population limit and cripple their economy. Ultimately, you can achieve victory by conquering all opposing players or by constructing and defending a magnificent wonder for 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.